Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. Hyundai is likely to launch the all-new next-generation Tucson SUV in India in the first half of 2022. This next-generation Hyundai Tucson has already been introduced in Nepal, and we are also expecting this new model to be launched in India really soon.
While sporting an all-new design language and a whole host of new technology, this all-new Tucson will be larger with more passenger and cargo volume on the inside as well. This new Hyundai Tucson features Hyundai's new sensuous sportiness design identity, while the front fascia features the new parametric dynamics design theme with kinetic, jewel-like surface detailing unique to the new Tucson. This new Hyundai Tucson also features innovative half-mirror type daytime running lamps that are seamlessly integrated into the parametric grille and will be visible only when illuminated. The side profile features geometric angles and curvy edges along with a strong shoulder line, highlighting the dynamic character of this SUV. At the rear, the new Tucson features full-width tail lamps with triangular shapes connected by a light bar, giving the Tucson a distinct look. The interior of the new Tucson also features a multi-layered design theme where space, technology and information seamlessly blend. The overall interior seems to wrap around the occupants with a waterfall-like effect for the center console. The new Tucson features a 10.25-inch touchscreen system along with an equally large hoodless digital instrument cluster, while also offering multi-air ventilation, temperature-adjusting system and ambient mood lighting with 64 colors to choose from.
India is likely to receive the long wheelbase version,
which is longer, wider, taller and also has a longer wheelbase than the previous generation. As a result, passenger volume increases by 6 cubic feet and cargo volume has increased by 7.7 cubic feet. Other significant features on the new 2022 Hyundai Tucson include adaptive cruise control, triple zone automatic climate control, blind spot camera with monitoring, ventilated seats and all-round leather upholstery.
Talking about powertrain, this new generation Hyundai Tucson is likely to be offered with one petrol and one diesel engine option. The 2.5-liter SmartStream gasoline direct injection engine available in the US market is not likely to be introduced in India, and instead the Indian version is likely to offer the 2-liter naturally aspirated MPI engine producing 159 PS of maximum power and 195 Nm of maximum torque through a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine producing 185 PS of maximum power and 400 Nm of maximum torque through an 8-speed torque converter automatic. Just like the previous generation model, the diesel variant will also have the option of an all-wheel drive system.
The 2022 Hyundai Tucson also introduces new features such as remote smart park assist, remote start with heated and ventilated seats, digital key, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while also offering standard smart sense safety features such as forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, high beam assist, driver attention warning, rear occupant alert, along with optional safety features such as blind spot collision avoidance assist, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, safe exit warning, smart cruise control with stop and go, ultrasonic rear occupant alert, remote smart park assist.
When launched in India, this new generation Hyundai Tucson SUV is likely to compete against the likes of the new updated Jeep Compass and the Citroën C5 Aircross. This new generation Hyundai Tucson is likely to be launched by the month of May, with the cars being brought to India as completely knocked down units that will be assembled at Hyundai's assembly plant near Chennai. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the all-new next-generation Hyundai Tucson SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.